Hello, today we're going to look at how to use Currency-R8 to convert your deal amount and line item amounts from within the HubSpot application. So here we are, we're on the deal screen. This is a test deal that we've set up and you can see it's for $10,000 US. If we look over here to the right hand side, we can also see that we've got a number of line items set up on this deal, also all in US dollars. To start the conversion, we go to the Currency-R8 card at the top here. Click Convert Currency, select the currency we want to go to. So we'll go to GBP, request conversion. The Currency-R8 fetches a live rate for you at that point, so it's brought back a live exchange rate and it's converted all of the deal amounts and all of the line item amounts. So the deal amount here is the sum of all of these line item amounts. So you now have three choices. You can simply close the window if you were just looking. You can copy the amount to clipboard, so that would copy this total from up here. That would copy that to the clipboard, which you could then paste into an email, for example. Or you can click Update Deal and Line Items. So if we click Update Deal and Line Items, in the background, Currency-R8 has now updated the deal for us. Click Close. So if we just refresh the screen, you will see that the new value is put in over here. But just as importantly, all of the line items have been correctly converted into GBP. And if we take a quick look inside the line items, you can see here that it's actually adjusted each of the unit prices and still use the multiplier to add them up. So that's how you get to the top price. So everything within that deal is now set to GBP. Thanks for watching.